Hey everyone, welcome to Zexus Development. In this video, I'm going to showcase you the most advanced mention MLO for your FiveM server. This might be the best GTA mention out there which you can find for your FiveM server. The mention is created by Vello teams. Today, I'm giving you the full showcase and walkthrough of every details of this mention. So without any further ado, let's get started. So this is the mention over here. The mention will cost you around 75 euros. The purchase link will be in the description below. You can access it from there. You can find the overview of the mention from here. So this is the location in the map of the mention. Let's get inside the mention over here. So this is the main entrance of the mention. And over here you will get a car parking. So as you can see, this is the biggest car parking of this mansion over here. This is the car washing area over here. Now let's go upstairs. So this is the upper look of the garage over here. Now let's go to the mansion. So this is the entrance of the mansion over here. As you can see. Let's go to the right side and you can find there are some paintings over here. Let's get to this room. You can find a small office-like room over here. You will get a good sea view from here. Now let's go to the balcony. And this is the balcony over here. You will find a small football court over here as you can see. You can sit in all the seats of the mansion. Use your target eye. Then click on sit down. You can sit on each and every chairs of this mansion. Here you will get a pool table and a table tennis table as well. Here you can have some parties and chill with friends. You will find a luxury vintage car over here. Now let's go downstairs. In this room, you will find varieties of wine over here. Even you can sit over here and enjoy some wine. You can see a grand piano over here. This is the dining area. And this is the kitchen of the mansion. Now let's get to this room. So this is a small office over here. And this is the bedroom of the mansion. You can see a 3-monitor setup over here. This is a double bed and this is a closet over here. And this is the washroom of this room. Let's get over here. This is also a bathing area of this mansion. You will find a shower over here. And this is the steam room of this mansion. You can sit over here and enjoy the steam with your friends. And this is a small swimming pool of this mansion. And over here, you can rest on the chair and enjoy the outer view. Let's get outside. So this is a balcony over here. So let's go downstairs. So this is a basketball court over here. As you can see. So this is the arcade area of this mansion. You can enjoy here with your friends. There are lots and different types of arcade games available over here. Let's get to this room. So this is a small media area of this mansion. This is a wardrobe. And this is the bedroom. And this is the washroom of this room. Let's get over here. This is the armory room of this mansion. You can plan all illegal stuffs over here. And here you will find a big secret vault. Here you can hide your money and all expensive things. So this is the meeting room of this mansion over here. And this is the gym room of this mansion. Let's go downstairs. You will get a small bar over here. And this is the media room of this mansion. Here you can do your recordings and record your podcast or music from here. So from here, you can play blackjack with your friends. You can use this table with the target eye. Let's place the bet. To be honest, I don't know how to play this game, so let's do a hit. What happened? So let's increase some bet. Let's do double this time. Okay, again I lost, I think. So you can play blackjack with your friends over here. I'm not good at this. You will find one more blackjack table over here. This is the balcony of this room, as you can see. So this is the small garden area over here. You will find a small bar outside as well. And there is one more swimming pool over here. Let's go upstairs. So this is a small football court. And this is the barbecue area over here. You can have some barbecue over here. And from here, you can go outside. So there is a helipad over here. And you can play golf as well, as you can see. Let's get over here. So this is the big mansion over here. So that is for today's video. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos related to FiveM development. Goodbye.